So this is episode 2 of Epic Fishing. We only have 2 of us today. The third hooker is not here. Wilder, what are you thinking? This is a new type of fishing for us. We're doing some river fishing today.
Well, I think we'll have some success out here in the Sudbury River. We'll be targeting largemouth bass and maybe even a northern pike.
As you can see, the weeds on the side of the river, pretty thick. So today we are using a different style lure. We're not using the Senkos by Gary Yamamoto. We're both going to try some frogs, try some topwater action. 2 different style frogs, both weedless. First fish of the day. It's a nice one. Bass number 2.
Into the boat this time.
Good job, butter hands. Don't pull a Trevor.
When you're trying to shoot a fishing show, that's what happens. You got the fish over the side of the boat trying to show it to the camera. £1 7 ounce. Some big scars on it.
My first fish of the day is a dinker. This is a Charlie Moore. It's a Larry. These are the size that he catches all the time. We're going to stay on the river and catch some monster bass, because that's where the bass are. Shit. 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 Yeah, baby, a crappie!
Crappie?
I haven't caught one of these in a while.
Now, Chris, can we eat that crappie?
Not out of the Concord River. What a nice fish. I love crappie. It's beautiful.
In the weeds.
No. I think he's off. Right after I lost my 5-pound bass, Wilder catches probably about a 2.5 pounder.
Find out.
I got the skill. He's got the fish. I thought I had the talent. And that was a big bass.
$2.1.
Let's see it.
What?
Let's see it.
Let's see what?
Let's see the weight. 2.0.
1/2 ounce.
Whoa, that's big, baby. Don't break your rod. It's pulling the boat. He landed it. That's a beast. Nice one.
It's a little one.
Another little one. Getting into the prime time. Does it equal a pound? It's gonna flip. Stick. $15 3/8. Yeah, baby. Finally.
Too much current there?
Too much current. Let's see how much this baby weighs. I think I'm getting back to my basics with fishing after being stagnant for so long. $2.3. Yeah, baby, that's how we do it.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh!
Nice one.
Yeah, baby! That's how we do it. It's a nice, almost 2-pound bass.
Where was it caught?
In the Sudbury River.